In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 ways to make around $250 per day as a complete beginner. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sam, and I've been making money online for the past 9 or 10 years. I've built up multiple sources of income that allow me to make over $5,000 in profit every single week. So, I'm confident that I can guide you in the right direction. If you find this video helpful at any point, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right into it. The first method I'm going to discuss is selling on eBay. This is how I initially got started with making money online back when I was in school. It's still something that I do today, albeit on a much larger scale. Selling on eBay is a great way for beginners to start making money online. There are different ways to sell on eBay, such as buying stock in bulk, shipping the products to your house, and listing them on eBay. Or you can do drop shipping, which is similar, but you don't need to buy the products in bulk. Lastly, you have the option to. When it comes to making around $250 per day as a beginner, there are 3 different methods that I will go through in today's video. One of the methods that I recommend to beginners is selling stuff on eBay. There are multiple ways to start selling, such as buying stock in bulk, drop shipping, or retail arbitrage. You can also use print on demand, where you list an item that doesn't exist yet and have a supplier create and ship it to your customer. To find success with selling on eBay, I recommend finding a successful eBay store that is selling a similar item to what you want to sell and replicating their product offerings, pricing, and store structure. One tool I recommend is Zeek Analytics, which allows you to research competitors' stores and see their most popular items. From there, you can find a supplier for those items and list them on your own eBay store. One way to generate sales is to utilize a website similar to Alibaba.com to source suppliers who offer items that are similar to what you are selling successfully. By listing these products on your own store, you can potentially increase sales without doing much additional work. Another method to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This approach is an excellent way for beginners to start an online business because it is inexpensive to set up, and there is significant profit potential. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to choose a topic for your blog and write articles on it. Then you will need to select a hosting service, such as Bluehost or Hostinger, design your website, and publish articles that are optimized for search engines. By doing so, you can attract traffic to your site and generate affiliate commissions by linking to relevant products or services. For example, if you write an article about the top email marketing software programs for 2023, you can include affiliate links to MailChimp, Constant Contact, GetResponse, Aweber, and other programs you recommend. Your goal should be to provide as much value and information as possible while also maximizing your affiliate income. To earn affiliate commissions, readers can click on my links for the recommended email marketing software programs. However, there are many other factors to consider in the affiliate marketing process. If you want to learn more about this topic, please comment below with "Do the website" video, and I will create a detailed step-by-step video. Moving on to the third and final method discussed in this video, starting a faceless automated YouTube channel can be an effective way to earn $250 per day. You do not need to be on camera to create a successful YouTube channel. Many faceless channels exist, and you can use AI bots to help create content. For example, you can use ChatGPT to generate a script for a video on the top 10 healthiest foods to eat. The bot will create the entire YouTube script for you. I can copy and paste the generated script from ChatGPT into InVideo, a software that uses stock images and videos to create a complete YouTube script. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.